When a 6,000-pound truck slams into concrete at highway speed, there is no second chance. No reaction time, no muscle strength, no luck. In that moment, the only thing standing between life and disaster is engineering. So the real question isn't which truck looks toughest, but which one survives physics when physics doesn't care who you are. In this video, we break down the best trucks of 2025 for crash testing and safety demonstrations, revealing how they perform under today's most brutal, updated safety tests. This isn't about marketing or brand loyalty, it's about real engineering, real crash data, and which trucks are built to protect human life when everything goes wrong. Modern trucks dominate the road in 2025. They are taller, heavier, and more powerful than anything that came before them, commanding attention wherever they go. But with that power comes a hidden danger. When something goes wrong, crashes are more violent than ever, leaving almost no room for error. Crash testing exists to answer a single, uncomfortable question: will this truck protect the people inside when the unexpected happens? Everything else, from styling to branding, is just noise when lives are on the line. Crash testing today is no longer a simple front impact exercise designed to meet minimum regulations. It is a complex simulation of real-world chaos, built to replicate the kinds of crashes drivers actually experience. Engineers recreate partial collisions, high-energy side impacts, rollovers, nighttime driving conditions, and pedestrian encounters. Every test is measured in milliseconds, and every result reveals whether a truck was designed to genuinely protect lives or merely to sell an image. One of the most revealing evaluations is the small overlap frontal crash. This test simulates a situation where only the corner of a truck strikes an object, making it brutally realistic. Most real crashes are offset and unpredictable rather than clean, centered impacts. In weak designs, this test forces the front wheel into the cabin and collapses the A-pillar, while in strong designs, energy is redirected around the passenger compartment, preserving survival space. This single test has forced manufacturers to redesign entire platforms from the ground up. It exposed weaknesses that traditional testing never revealed and made excuses impossible. A truck that performs well here proves something critical. Safety was engineered intentionally, not added later as a marketing feature. Side impact crashes are even more unforgiving. There is very little space between the door and the occupant, which means structural strength and airbag timing must be flawless. In 2025, side impact testing became significantly tougher, with barriers that better represent modern SUVs and trucks. Door beams, side curtains, seat structures, and restraint systems are all pushed to their limits in a fraction of a second, leaving no margin for failure. When a truck passes this test, it demonstrates true system-level intelligence. Structure, airbags, and restraints are not just present, they work together with precise timing and purpose. That coordination is not accidental, and it is exactly what separates survivable crashes from catastrophic ones. But safety does not begin at impact, it begins seconds earlier, often before the driver even realizes danger is approaching, when awareness and technology quietly do their work. In modern evaluations, headlight performance and crash avoidance systems play a decisive role because they directly influence how much time a driver has to react. Poor headlights can disqualify a truck from top safety recognition, even if its crash structure is strong. Visibility determines reaction time, and reaction time often determines whether a close call becomes a life-altering crash. Modern headlight testing measures illumination distance, beam consistency, and glare control under real driving conditions, not just ideal laboratory setups. These tests reveal whether drivers can clearly see hazards on dark highways and poorly lit roads. Combined with automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, these systems can stop a crash before metal ever meets metal. The safest collision, after all, is always the one that never happens. Another area long ignored but now impossible to overlook is rear seat safety. Trucks are no longer just work tools reserved for job sites and hauling heavy loads. They have become everyday family vehicles. They are used for daily commuting, long road trips, and school runs where rear seat passengers are often children. Rear seat occupants deserve the same level of protection as those in the front. Modern testing evaluates how rear seatbelts load the body during extreme deceleration, how seats support the torso, and whether passengers experience dangerous sliding or excessive head movement during a crash. A truck that protects only the driver is not truly safe by modern standards. Safety cannot be selective or conditional based on seating position. True safety means protecting everyone inside the vehicle, regardless of where they are sitting or how the truck is being used. Anything anything less is an incomplete solution that ignores how trucks are actually driven in the real world. This is where the 2025 to 2026 Toyota Tundra quietly stands out. Instead of chasing dramatic design changes or flashy features, Toyota focused on disciplined safety engineering beneath the surface. Improvements to rear seatbelt geometry and seat structure were introduced to better manage forces in frontal crashes. These changes may not look exciting on a spec sheet, but in crash testing, they make a measurable life-saving difference. The Tundra maintains a stable passenger compartment, manages impact forces effectively, and delivers consistent protection across seating positions. Its structure behaves predictably under stress, which is exactly what engineers aim for in a real crash. It is a reminder that real safety leadership is often quiet and methodical rather than dramatic. If safety were a personality, the Tundra would be calm, prepared, and unshaken under pressure. A very different approach is represented by the Rivian R1T. Built on a modern electric platform, the R1T gives engineers greater freedom to design optimized crumple zones and a rigid passenger cell without the constraints of traditional layouts. Crash testing shows effective energy absorption and strong cabin integrity, even under severe impacts that push the structure to its limits. The vehicle deforms exactly where it should, guiding forces away from occupants. The structure behaves exactly as intended, sacrificing itself so the people inside do not have to. But modern safety does not stop at metal and welds. In 2025, Rivian addressed a driver assistance software issue through an over-the-air update, highlighting a new reality of vehicle safety. Today, safety depends on both hardware and software working together flawlessly. A modern truck must be mechanically strong and digitally reliable. The R1T shows how innovation can enhance safety when engineering discipline leads the process. Then there is the Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that sparks instant debate but must ultimately be judged by data, not opinion. Later production 2025 models earned top-tier safety recognition after structural improvements were made to the front underbody and footwell areas. These changes address specific vulnerabilities identified during earlier evaluations and testing. Crash data shows strong cabin stability and effective occupant protection. However, like many heavy pickups, rollover risk remains a factor drivers must respect. Safety here is real but nuanced. Build dates matter, updates matter, details matter. The Cybertruck proves that safety is not static. It evolves as engineers learn, adapt, and refine their designs. Rollover risk itself is a reminder that physics always has the final word. Trucks sit high, carry significant mass, and travel at speed, creating unavoidable challenges. Electronic stability control, traction management, and advanced suspension tuning reduce danger, but no technology can eliminate risk entirely. The safest trucks minimize rollover probability through intelligent design, but driver awareness remains essential. This is why top safety recognition is so difficult to earn. A truck must excel in frontal crashes, side impacts, lighting performance, crash avoidance, and occupant protection across all seating positions. Failing in even one area weakens the entire safety picture. That pressure forces manufacturers to improve, and that pressure saves lives on real roads. The most dangerous myth surrounding truck safety is that size alone equals protection. While mass can help in certain collisions, weak structure, outdated restraints, or poor crash avoidance systems can cancel that advantage instantly. True safety comes from balance. Structure, electronics, lighting, software, and restraint systems must work together seamlessly without weak links. In 2025, the safest trucks are not defined by marketing slogans or aggressive styling. They are defined by performance under stress. They are smashed, twisted, analyzed, and rebuilt so drivers and passengers never have to learn these lessons the hard way. Crash testing is not about destroying vehicles, it is about preserving life. So the next time someone says, "This truck is a beast," ask the only question that really matters. Can it protect you when everything goes wrong? So the next time someone says, "This truck is built like a tank." If you enjoyed this deep dive into real crash tests and real safety engineering, like and subscribe for more videos that separate marketing from reality.